So here I am again with my Christmas tags in the collaboration with Crafting Rose, and please check out the other collaborators in the description below. And this is what I came up with for this month. These tags. I sort of made a bit of a frame and tried to make sure that they were nice on both sides. These papers are a digital kit from Pink Monarch Prints on Etsy. Cut 3 pieces with my Cricut. I had this SVG file with a tag on the top, a little tab on the top, and then this is the inner piece. So that was, I made that a cutout, and then of course I printed them in different papers. There was a big strip of leftovers, so what I did was just tear that and ink that so I could put that on the back as a little bit of interest, and I made each one different. These go, you know, horizontal, vertical, and some have 2 strips and some just have 1, but I thought it made a nice variation there on the back. And some have the string at the top and some have the ribbon. So that's what I intend to do. I have quite a few more to make, but just wanted to put that out there to you and wanted to wish you a happy November, 1 month of Christmas, and I hope that you're going to be ready and have a great day. Thank you for watching.